Alright, we're riding up the Colorado Superchair. I got the speed estimate is averages from 549 to 553 FPM. And we're gonna go to the top and get to look into really rare opportunity. Really nice mechanics. And he's gonna let us go. So basically this lift is just an LPA 6-pack. I got 5 Superchair there. You can see inside the terminal there. And there's Rocky Mountain Superchair there. It's a Poma Challenger with TB41 grips. This lift has LPA grips. So I can't wait to get a look inside the terminal. I'll film the whole thing, and so you guys can see it. I'll film it in 4K. My camera's at like 57%. I do have an extra battery though, so I'll definitely have enough battery life to film it. So yeah, it's running about half speed right now. Slightly faster than a fixed grip at full speed. Are you gonna go too? Are you gonna go inside too?
Whatever works.
You should. This is like an amazing one-time opportunity. So yeah, there's 5 Superchair. It's going super slow. I don't know what it's. I don't think people are loading it right now. They have an Alpine slide and an Alpine coaster. I don't think the Alpine coaster works like the one at Copper though. So it's not as much. It's not a ropeway. It just has a conventional chain. Yeah, I don't think 5 is open for yet. Those are, I think, are lift operators. If I'm really lucky, leaving the terminal. So here we go, way up Tar 6. You can't see Imperial Superchair right now. It's behind that, on that mountain. To see it. I'd have to film an 8K and there'd have to be like a movie-size monitor to see it like I can. There's quite a few LPAs at this resort though. If you've been in a lift, comment which lift you've been in. I think the cool air might help a little with my battery life. It like keeps the battery from overheating, which reduces battery life, but it's not so cold that the battery just freezes and is like inefficient. It's definitely a little chilly today. Glad I brought my jacket. It's probably like 62.
50s.
I guess. I kind of wish Hawaii was in the 60s or 50s most of the time.
They do
Nice.
on Mauna Loa and Mauna Kea.
Yeah, and on the Big Island, but
Then
it's probably like 90. It's probably like 90 in downtown right now. So it's really not great. Standard LPA lifting frames, the 6-pack line gauge. I think there's different types of lifting frames LPAs have. Mahogany Ridge has like the early Omega lifting frames, but it's a new lift. I don't remember. I think these lifting frames also come with 4-seaters. I don't remember. Or you can have the lifting frames like the new Leitner Poma Alphas have the same lifting frames as the high-speed quads do. So that's cool. I wonder why LPAs don't have a default operating speed of 1100 feet per minute like Challengers do. Because you'd think over the years they'd get faster. But it's fine. There's not that big of a difference. Whoa, that's really loud, those combo assemblies. Super loud. Super loud tower. Got a slightly more steep stretch here before the drive terminal. It's not a direct drive like American Eagle. I think Copper Mountain may have the most lifts with the direct drive. Has 3: Timberline, American Eagle, and American Flyer. I like the color scheme of Breck's detachables. I think Breck has 3 lifts open for the summer. This one for mountain biking, 5 Superchair, and then the Breck Connect gondola. Definitely more than Copper Mountain with only 1 lift open. When I did go to Copper Mountain, they were running American Flyer at a really slow speed, but they quickly stopped running it. Probably just summer tests, like the monthly evaluation for the winter. We're already 7 minutes into the video and we're only at Tower 13. Some squeaky shivs. High Lonesome Express at Winter Park. I don't know why I brought this up. It's a Poma Challenger, but it was before it was built as a Poma Challenger. I think it had it was a fixed grip alpha. So some of the towers have the old spoke shivs, which is pretty cool. I think the depression tower near the beginning is has new shivs though, like new Leitner Poma shivs. And then the depression tower, not the one I was talking about before, but the one right out of the station is a portal tower from the old fixed grip lift, which is also interesting. We might be going to Japan, or definitely Winter Park, but maybe Japan. So I'll see if I can film lifts at Japan. Japan definitely has quite the weird lifts. Most of Japan's lifts are built in the 80s or early 90s. Oh, I know of like 2 Poma detachables built in like 2018 in Japan, I think. One has bubbles, one doesn't. And then there's some new gondolas, but most of the lifts are really old. Japan has quite a few CLD 260s built by Nippon Cable, which is basically an off-brand Doppelmayr. And then there's lots of Poma Falcon Alphas there too, built by Onsaku, which is basically an off-brand Poma. And then there's lots of unis there built by Nippon Cable. And the uni, they didn't go to the space jet in Japan, so the unis built in like the late 90s actually have DT grips, which is quite interesting. I've actually saw a video of a CLD 260 in Japan. It was a triple and it had DT grips. I don't know if it was like renovated or anything, but yeah, I'm just trying to keep you guys entertained throughout the ride. Here we approach the top, 17, 18, 19. We have 20 towers in this lift. There's the top terminal of Imperial. I don't think you can see it.
It's all gotta be.
And then there's a platter going up to Imperial, looks like.
That bowl's gotta be double.
It is double. Imperial has some of the more difficult terrain. Approaching the top. I'm at 43%, which is not too shabby. And we have Peak 8 Super Connect there. you can see the double stack on the terminal. That's what I was talking about earlier on the Mega. We have that double stack.
That's got to be a pretty high one up there.
That double stack, like I said, if the lift is over 5,000 feet long in a Mega first gen, it's gonna have a double stack on top to accommodate the drive. It was nicknamed the Fat Boy, spelled P-H-A-T boy. And here we are approaching the drive terminal. I don't know. This thing is built on a little block. I don't know if people prefer to use a vault drive if they're built on a block or not, but it's undetermined.